This video provides an overview of the activities required to prepare for and complete the installation of CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence. Let's begin. In this video, we'll review the software and browser requirements that must be met before installing CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence. Remember, the product documentation is your source for the latest information about software and browser requirements. Let's begin with the software requirements. Open SSH, ICSF, or Integrated Cryptographic Service Facility, Java 8, 64-bit, CA Common Services, typically referred to as CCS. These requirements are covered in greater detail in another video, but here's the list of what's required. CCS base PAX file, CCS USS based services PAX, and the CCS Data Mover PTFs. VMware, but remember, VMware is a requirement only when installing on Linux for x86-64. Let's move on to the browser requirements. CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence supports the following browsers: Internet Explorer, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. For the latest information about which browser versions are supported, see the product documentation. This wraps up our discussion of software and browser requirements for the installation of CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence. For more information about CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence, visit www.broadcom.com and review the product documentation, support, or communities.